Hey there, fellow book lovers. Today, we're diving into the world of e-readers with the latest and greatest from Amazon. Brace yourselves for a mind-blowing revelation that'll change the way you read forever. Are you ready to discover the lightest, most compact Kindle ever created? Let's jump right in. Imagine holding a device that weighs less than a paperback, but contains an entire library. That's exactly what you get with the all-new Amazon Kindle. 16 gigabytes. This sleek marvel is a game-changer for bookworms everywhere. Whether you're a seasoned Kindle user or new to the e-reader scene, this device is bound to impress. Let's talk about what makes this Kindle stand out from its predecessors. First off, it's incredibly lightweight. You can easily slip it into your bag or even your pocket without feeling weighed down. Perfect for those long commutes or lazy days at the beach. But don't let its small size fool you. This Kindle packs a punch with its impressive features. The screen quality is out of this world, with a higher contrast ratio that makes text pop like never before. Say goodbye to eye strain and hello to crystal clear reading. One of the most exciting upgrades is the faster page turns. No more waiting for that split second between pages. It's so quick, you'll feel like you're reading a physical book. Trust me, once you experience this, you won't want to go back. Now, let's talk storage. With 16 gigabytes of space, you can carry thousands of books wherever you go. It's like having a personal library in your pocket. Whether you're into romance, thrillers, or nonfiction, there's room for all your favorites and then some. But wait, there's more. This Kindle comes in two stylish colors, classic black and trendy matcha. Choose the one that matches your personality and reading style. One of the best things about this Kindle is its versatility. It's perfect for readers of all ages. Kids will love how easy it is to hold, while adults will appreciate the crisp display and long battery life. Speaking of battery life, you won't believe how long this thing lasts. We're talking weeks of reading on a single charge. No more frantically searching for a charger in the middle of an exciting chapter. And let's not forget about the Kindle store. With millions of titles at your fingertips, you'll never run out of things to read. From bestsellers to indie gems, there's something for everyone. So, whether you're a voracious reader or just getting into the ebook world, the new Amazon Kindle 16 gigabytes is a must-have. It's lightweight, feature-packed, and designed to enhance your reading experience in every way possible. Don't miss out on this amazing device. Head over to Amazon now and grab yours before they sell out. Trust me, your reading life will never be the same. Happy reading, everyone.